Good morning. This is your 5-minute crypto market brief for today. Bitcoin is trading around $112,000, holding in a tight range after a recent pullback. Ethereum is near the 4,000 mark and showing similar sideways pressure. Volume is mixed, with intraday swings driven by short-term liquidation events rather than fresh, broad buying. The big theme this week is risk-off sentiment after a sharp deleveraging event earlier in the week. That sell-off knocked prices lower and left traders more cautious, especially leveraged traders. Macro noise is also active. Federal Reserve commentary and the upcoming core inflation print are prompting traders to step back and wait for clarity before adding directional risk. Expect choppy sessions until we see clearer macro signals. The SEC recently finalized new generic listing standards for spot crypto exchange-traded products. The practical effect is faster approvals and a much simpler path for asset managers to list ETFs that hold crypto directly. Firms are racing to file products that go beyond Bitcoin and Ether, which could increase institutional access to tokens like Solana and XRP in the months ahead. This policy change is a structural development. It does not guarantee immediate inflows, but it changes the distribution channel and could reframe demand in the fourth quarter. While majors tread water, meme coins and select altcoins are where short-term traders are finding volatility. Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and a few newer Pepe-style tokens are seeing bursts of volume and headline-driven rallies. Traders should be careful because meme momentum can be fast and ruthless. If you trade these, size positions small and set strict exits. For Bitcoin, short-term support sits near the low 111,000 zone, a clear break and daily close below that could invite more selling toward prior lows. On the upside, a sustained move and close above the recent intraday highs around 113,000 to 114,000 opens the next resistance zone. For Ethereum, watch the 4,000 to 4,200 band as the decision area. Use tight stops and avoid adding to leveraged longs until momentum confirms. For meme plays, treat any trade as a scalp. Watch macro calendars closely. Core inflation and any new Federal Reserve commentary will move risk appetite quickly. Also monitor ETF announcements and initial flows once products start listing. Early inflows or outflows will set the tone for the fourth quarter. Finally, keep an eye on liquidation clusters and on-chain spikes in transfers to exchanges. They often foreshadow short-term pressure. That's today's full crypto trading update.